guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, maglalaro po tayo ng Roblox. So kung sino po gusto mag-add friend, okay lang. So ang lalaroin natin is, ano ba maganda guys? Cabin Crew Simulator. Cabin Crew Simulator. Okay. Loading. Okay. The grass play. Okay. Airline. 1,000. Bilhin na po natin to. Purchase. Customize. I-customize po natin siya para mag-iba yung color niya. Yung buo, yung loob. Wait lang po kasi naglo-loading. Ayan. Customize po natin siya. Okay. Okay naman. Blue. Yung loob lang. Yung sahig colors. Ano ba maganda? Oh. Saan dyan? Itong chair. Okay, yung chair maganda daw po guys. Purchase. Okay. Yan. Oh. Okay. Pwede na po yan. Select New York City. Select. Okay. Gate 1. Your flight was successfully created. Boarding pass. Okay guys. Kung sino po gusto mag-add friend, Yorkin 716. Accept po kaagad, accept. Okay. Oops. Okay, hintayin po natin. Start boarding. Okay. Philippine Airline po, wala to. Hi! Welcome to Philippine Airline po. Pasok. Okay po. Welcome to Philippine Airline.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off.
Okay, isasarado na po natin ang
Once again, welcome aboard.
pintuan ng ating eroplano. Okay guys, push. Okay, push back na po tayo. Buckle seat belt. Okay. Close overhead bins po. Isang flight lang po siya. Okay na po lahat. Checked. Okay guys, may kakalipad lang po. Okay. Ready for takeoff. Ready for takeoff na tayo guys. Okay. When we successful this flight, we're ready. Okay. Okay guys. Take off na. Sabi ko muna sa kanila. Okay, lilipad na po ang ating eroplano. Okay, fasten your seatbelt na. Ready to take off. Okay, guys. Yan. Wow. There one aircraft using.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Okay, yan na. Lilipad na po, guys. Lipad na. Okay. Oh. Bye, New York City. Okay. Kakalipad lang po natin. Bye, New York.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight
Crackers.
service. Sit
Gusto
back,
ko ng
relax, and enjoy the
crackers.
flight.
Chips. Soaky po. Peanuts. Thank you. Crackers and water. Coffee, chips, and water. Okay, coffee, chips, peanut, chips, and coffee, peanuts and coffee. Okay, nice job. You finished serving the passengers and just finished up the
This
drinks
is
and
your
the.
captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Okay, getting crush na po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Okay, thank you.
flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Okay. Can you stow your chairs? Buckle your seatbelt. And can you bring up your table? Oh my god. Ah! Nanglalayas ka. Yan, upo ka dyan. Yan. Tatalian kita nang hindi ka makaalis. Yan. Okay, thank you po. Thank you. Okay, we're ready for arrivals. Okay, guys. There one aircraft using the arrival runway before you, so stand by us. It should be a very short delay. May gumagamit po ng airport. Lumabas na yung gulong. Wow. Uy. Rough. Yay! Succeeded! We did it. Okay. Yeah. We did it. Oh my gosh. I can't believe we did it. Continue. Okay, guys. We did it. Okay. Yeah.
Saan yung back pantit lang?
Okay, guys. Natapos natin ang isang lipad. Wow. Ganda na gulong, oh. Wow. Ang tagal. Okay, guys. Water salute because it's this the European 716th airline for CRJ 300 first flight. Where is the water salute? Okay, where is it? It's so long. It's taking so long. Sobrang tagal naman, guys. Hiikutin ba natin buong airport?
Hindi ka na taba. Hindi ka na taba.
Okay, guys. We're here at Roblox. We're here at Roblox. Wala, parang inikot na natin buong airport. Inikot talaga natin buong airport, guys. Tagal naman. Okay, guys. Wow, it's our first water salute. Wow! Congratulations to us. So we succeeded in our first flight. Yes. Wow.
Sino yun? Si Ma'am?
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am.
We just landed at Roblox Airport. Wow. Open. Okay, pwede na po kayong lumabas. Wow. Ni-arrest na po sila. Oh my God. Ni-arrested siya. Ni-arrested. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Like and subscribe po. Thank you.